A good friend of mine cooked these chops for me a while back, and they were so delicious, I begged him for the recipe. We start by making the stuffing. In a food processor, we add the pecans, breadcrumbs, melted butter, and herbs, and chop them until we get a nice paste. Make sure to scrape down the sides to get a smooth and consistent filling. The next step is to cut a pocket in the chops. I like to go in straight with a paring knife and then move the tip back and forth to widen the interior cut and leave as small of an opening as possible. We want a small opening to prevent the filling from easily being pushed out during cooking when the meat firms up, yet still have a wide pocket inside to get as much filling in as we can. Time to stuff these puppies. Using a teaspoon and my finger, I push the stuffing in the pocket. Try not to overdo it, otherwise it will just end up on the grill. Don't be afraid to push the filling all the way in using your fingers. We want as much filling as we can. Before we head to the grill, I coat all sides of the chops with Dijon mustard and season them with salt and pepper. I place the chops on a very hot grill, in this case a charcoal grill. Three minutes in, I turn them 45 degrees to get some nice marks. After about 6 minutes, I flip them to cook the other side. While I'm at it, I brush some more Dijon mustard on them. I keep turning them until the internal temperature is about 140 degrees. Keep in mind that the residual heat will bring them up to about 145 degrees by the time you eat them. As with steaks, follow your preference and cook them as done as you would like. I like to enjoy these pork chops with roasted potatoes. You can check out my recipe at valeriusway.com. Enjoy!